Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be alright. Today in this short video clip I am going to tell you how you a very nice plugin to use in WordPress websites. Actually, if you are developing a huge websites or containing a large amount of content and you want to replace some words, some keywords or something else, how you can do that in easy way. Let's suppose I want to replace clear water with some other word. uh, it's very difficult to replace this word by doing one by one on each page. So for this purpose I am going to tell you how you can use a find and replacement plugin. So I have to go to dashboard. Under plugins, your find and replace, add a new role. In add new role, you have to tell the plugin what uh, what the plugin has to find. So I'm going to find here the word clear water. Find clear water and replace this word with test water. Rules type is plain text, that's fine. Where to replace the word in all over the website. When you click the add rule button, you will see that rule has been implemented successfully. So how you can click this, Control F5, here you can see test water. The word clear has been replaced with the word test. So what you have to do, once more you have to run this rule so that replacement rule updated successfully. Control F5. So here you can see on each and every page clear water word has been changed into with the word test. Control F5, Control F, test water, test water, test water, test water, test water. So this is a basically find and replacement rule using a find and replacement plugin. If you want to check on another page, go there. Same test you have to perform. Find for test, test water, test water, test water. Oh yes, that's makes sense. So it's very nice plugin and it is easy to use. You can use it to find and replacement every type of text. in your website pages. So that's it for today. Thank you. Hopefully you will enjoy this video.